Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and lock screen while watching YouTube on Android. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access a particular YouTube app on your mobile phone. So once you have done so, this kind of interface gonna appear, right? So let's say we gonna go to a particular video file of over here and we start playing it. So this is the song, right? So the song is being played, and now we simply would like to close our particular Android device, and then if we want, we can again try and open it. You can see that particular video is playing on background even after I have closed my device. So if you would like to access it, you actually have to get a subscription here in YouTube, premium subscription. For that, go to the subscription section. You can see we have taken the subscription for it. We go to this view section, and now we're going to go to settings of ours and purchases and membership. And you can see we have taken the premium membership for us. That's why that particular feature was enabled. Simply have to go ahead, tap on this premium, and simply get yourself a premium package from YouTube itself, and then you will be able to access that particular feature of yours. That is the only way you can do it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.